As a lot of people know, Windows 11 is here, uh, and now we have to check if your PC is ready to take Windows 11, or can you do it? So let's go over here to your browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And type in Windows 11. Okay. And then you're going to see this heading right here, www.microsoft.com, upgrade to new Windows 11 OS, Microsoft. Click on that. Then scroll down. And over here it says check for compatibility, download the app, and then down here over here on the left corner, click on once you download here, you click on download app. You're going to get a little box here. Click on that and click on desktop icon, and you will get this icon on your desktop here, PC Health Check. Double click on it. And then you're going to get this, PC Health at a Glance, introducing Windows 11. Let's check if your PC meets the system requirements. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it's available. It's not available yet, but let's check anyways. And this is what it says on my PC. This PC can't run Windows 11. While this PC doesn't meet the system requirements to run Windows 11, you will keep getting Windows 10 updates. Now that's because you may be missing something in your PC. And what I found out is that you need, okay, we're going to go to search, type TPM in your search, and then you're going to click on Security Processor, and you're going to look for TPM 2.0. See if you have that here. Okay, mine says attention not ready, storage not ready. So my PC is only 4.5 years old, and I may not be able to upgrade my computer. We're going to have to wait to see if there's going to be a firmware upgrade for the PCs. So it's not yet known what's going to happen, but you may have to call your, the company that made your PC and ask them about it and do a little research on it. There will be more videos coming. So anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.